In my last vlog, I drove across some of the roughest and the most unforgiving roads in the old parish of St. David, exploring one of Jamaica's forgotten corners. But by the end of that journey, the adventure came to an unexpected halt when my car broke down between Albion and Landewey in St. Thomas because of an alternator problem. Thankfully, a good Samaritan came to my rescue and helped get the car to safety. I honestly believed the worst was behind me. But the very next day, when we returned to move the car, what should have been a simple task turned into something far more challenging. One unexpected setback led to another, until before long, the rescue mission had become a rescue mission of its own, leaving both of us stranded. And that's where this story really begins. Yeah guys, so may I get some assistance to remove the car. Yeah peeps, I know the radiator burst from my friend car. Can I help me? I go so.
Yes, underneath it, you see it. Okay, thank
Radiator burst peeps. Channel. Now come the truck will come out.
Alright now.
Peeps, I mean this man did have an accident, you know. Yeah? And you know remember the accident I made have? Yeah. And at the same time that drive. But we never getting any issues because at the end of the day my car never did stop from drive because it was just in the bumper. So this man that fix back in car, you know. So I never did pressure him, because you know we don't pressure people. But you know, of all the people I know who did in the surroundings when I did stranded last night, this man alone I could have called to come assist me. Yeah? Move the car from the location, bring it and park it at a certain point. And now we come to move it, to bring it at a point where it can work on tomorrow, because today is a holiday where now we're not open. So I can't get a mechanic and I can't get the part for buy the alternator. Yeah? So we have come back for it now for put it at the next point and the radiator for my friend car burst. Yeah? This coming like some sign and wonder, yo. But we keeping updated. So guys, down to yesterday in the last vlog, I say I really ask for donations, but would I really appreciate it now, I swear, because I exhaust my resources, you know, especially last night. And my car is still not home, and I did actually depend on it to get these videos out this month, you know. So, and then would I want to help my friend for sort out him vehicle, because I need him to assist. I mean to assist when that happen, you know. So if y'all can assist, would I really appreciate it. Alright? Blessings. The transmission for what now there? The bottom of the radiator part down there, sir?
Don't say that.
Okay. I know, bro.
Even.
Yeah, even.
Fresh
You just joined there a while ago, though? You just have to me say just show transmission fluid, you know. So next road there where them can drive?
Look, so we never chose it yet.
Okay, okay. I know the road today, no peeps. That's the road block. Some blessings for me. So you know if you put in the alternator too, bro?
Fully.
Okay.
Oh, you connect the piece, yeah.
Which one? Where you put on it?
Are this 11?
Yeah, I don't have the piece for you. I don't know where it there, yo. You have to, when you put the screw top in there, you have to put it up in there, so. Oh, you connect it? You connect the screw at this you want to connect, don't?
Yeah, one of that.
Yeah, this is the problem, yo. I don't have the thing to connect it. It didn't have the car, I don't know. That I could leave home when I work on the car the other day. That I bring going to the house instead of put it back in the car. Hey guys, so we're in the community of Amstead. Yeah, Amstead, what's your name, bro?
Take enough 12 spanner there. 12 spanner. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Man,
As me I say guys, even though I would appreciate the help to sort out my car too with the alternator, I would still love to help this man sort out him car out. You see me? As him already have an issue with it and now this happen. You know. I put him number on screen still, just in case y'all wanna get in touch with him if y'all wanna assist, alright? You know, I not collect donations or assistance on behalf of persons, may let them do it themselves. Yeah man. And this man look like him doing little mechanic work to like him would want a set of tool. Down bro. That would help you. Come see say you can help yourself on a car, but a tool panel that do good. So I know from Hurricane Melissa I did say I stop donations on my channel. I never accept any donations, but guys, yeah, if y'all can assist, y'all assist. There's a PayPal that is gonna be listed below, and also if y'all wanna contact me otherwise for other payment methods, y'all can contact me. My number will be on screen also, alright? Yeah man, cause that time I'm now hold up my time and I want to get back on the road quick and fast. But do what I do. Each time I have car trouble, I just sit back and try sort it out, and it take a while, you know? Yeah man. You get it out, bro?
Con.
Yes sir.
Use the thing with this and crump the words there. And dry it off and roll the words up in it, yeah. So the food not leak out. And it have to come off on this side too. And when you take it off on this side, it have to come off from the end of the wings, but no worse.
No, it's not going to cramp it. Because when you go down tight to squeeze it, finger alone can't tighten it, isn't it?
Body fluid at all you can go. The end of the target to work.
Yeah guys, so we'll get out the radiator. I'm going to try putting it down here. I couldn't film that part there when we had to take off the hose because we have to help all the pliers and pull off the hose. Yeah?
Gone too far?
We're over.
You can manage to put it on?
Put on the hose?
Yeah.
Yes, sir?
Pan that shine piece there.
The one, though?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, put it on the front, bro. Yeah, guys, the first car I owned was a police shape, just like this. I kind of know about how the parts and go back in, you understand? Because, yeah, me normally have to dead on the mechanical work on it.
That's good.
Oh. Connect it wrong, please.
Like what my job for?
Dragon? Eh? Dragon, we don't do the night? Dragon, don't do. Yeah, money too. Yeah, I'm going at it.
I'll get a good look at grass. Touch on a little bit now. Focus off.
That one you put on?
Yeah.
Squeeze the thing on it, man. See if I can push down. Yeah, squeeze it?
Now I get the grab it.
Oh.
Okay. I clamp, I just want to come down a little bit more.
Okay.
Yo,
Hold on.
yo, man safe seas up there.
Yeah. Squeeze again. Come over that bump here. I want to see if we push it over that bump there. Hold on. Yeah. Come in. Squeeze. Yeah. Go on again. Not gone too far.
Good.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, so
Match up. palm at that sound. The vibrate function.
Switch it on.
Switch it on.
Ah.
Like it too tight, it a brace on the front. You test it now? What's your feel, son? Oh.
Lock it down. Quick.
Oh, man.
Transmission is.
Where did that come from? Oh, look like under the transmission, bro. Why turn off? Turn off for something there, so. The same hose. Check the hose we just touch a while ago. Let it run down from up the saw, go down. Or out to the bottom of the radiator.
Oh. Transmission was worse.
Transmission hose? Fuck. So that the bus all along? You sure? So I never bus on the leak. I think it's a radiator. Yeah guys, so this man put in the radiator, start the car, everything proper, but then the radiator was a leak. It's an next issue that again. I wonder if it did a leak from first, I would think of the radiator. Can I reach?
Yes.
Yeah, to try to get it straight through.
It's easy for me to warm it still.
Try use some oil, man. Some of the same transmission oil. Don't want to take too much like the fuse or it is, man. Hard to push.
Fine, boss. Go on, more good. Go.
Start again, guys. Did I knock him sound? Corner touching him.
That's it down.
That touch. I say I'm going to run back the car and then I tie on the rope. Better that way there. I'm thinking to run back if you push it.
Don't start.
Ignition tough.
Go on again.
Guys, I realize my key may use start the car.
Go on now.
No, get no juice.
Where's the phone now? Switch off. One more switch it down.
Yeah, where next angle? Oh, Sita. So guys, we're going to try to push back the car here. Go down there so, and then in reverse, and we'll connect back the rope to go up on the road up this one. Yeah man, I turn the lock. Yeah, you go there, sir. Respect, yeah? Yeah guys, so we are gonna move now. I'm telling about the rope and well try the car up on it. So. Oh, now we can come out. Eh? This man again.
No, who that? Jackson. Are you coming before?
Right, they come pick up something for somebody.
Start okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Back up, just back up little. Ready? Yo! The steering have a lock. The steering have a lock.
That's a dead story, man. That's that. Don't worry about it.
Yeah guys, so that's how we set now. We come out of the road, now block the road again. Yeah. So we're about to move as soon as him find the key and come back. Yeah. Yeah, keep the line open, bro, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, I tell you, say you could have moved little bit faster still. Yeah, like the constant pace, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. guys, well, all the carrier try to reach him now. We can get free assist me go straight home because this car not work proper either. As you notice, we just have to do on something to make it work so that we could have all this one. Yeah, so I parked up at his house and then tomorrow now we get a chance to get the part we need. Don't know how me will get that peeps, but yeah, some way somehow. Because a car here have low profile, you know, hard for pull you out. Can pause up, bro? Yo? That make me that call you. Yeah, that make me a call you, bro.
Right in off my road.
Yeah, that me a try, but me not really see nothing out there, you know, so look in the mirror and tell me if me good.
Come round. Round.
Good now? Yeah, so reach already, bro?
Yeah.
Me check say that's what part of them me a come, you know? Me not even that realize, family. That's weird.
come up the board. Rock over. Right, something else. I bet you that. No, nothing like that.
Yeah, don't move yet, hold on. Yeah man, go up man, me tell you when to stop, just go up, go up. Go up. Yeah?
You good?
Yeah man. Could I still come up somewhere? Yeah, yeah. More out of the road, yeah, sir. Yeah, bro. So, guys, we finally got the car to where it's gonna be parked until tomorrow, and now the carrier develop an next leak. So we just look on it and I say it make no sense him pressure himself to bring me home. You see me? To drop me at my house, because that I mean say I come back at risk. I'm alone. You know, so I drop me at the square in a yellow sand, I just want a taxi from there, so go mark B and get something going. Yeah guys, because we have to think about other people too, you know. We can't just think about ourselves and what we want to get done, you know? Yeah man. And at the end of the day, I give me a helping hand. But as I say, peeps, would I really appreciate if y'all can assist me to deal with this. Call it a project. Forget this thing for my car, and just in case me not get it before you see the video, and for assist my friend in doing some work on his car to get it in a sort of driving condition where I'm not fair drive and I stop and I drive and I stop, because each time we're coming down you have to stop and restart the car because transmission just a jump and now go in a gear. And tell him so goodly something to do the computer. So I want to help him do that, because nobody else never really ever do this for me, you know. And to how we met, that even make it worse. You know, these are not friends we really want to lose. This is not something we never ever forget this favor. You see it, I never forget it. I'm going to put his number on screen, so anybody who want to reach out to him, offer a helping hand with even a tool pan, would I really assist, would I really appreciate that on behalf of a friend, you know. Yeah man, so yeah guys, consider that and let me know what you think. Alright, I'm really tired guys, I want to get home. And see my face like it as well. Yeah man, that on my eye. And the reason why I'm so tired, you know, me get in last night minutes after 1 or minutes to 2, and started editing the video that I filmed immediately. I couldn't even bother think about the car. I start edit the video, and if this was live and when I said this, the intro is already created and is already uploaded over on TikTok, well yeah, we know that I can't see it, but I have to try to find some way to make y'all get the link before this video is posted. Yeah, but I have already started editing that Windsor Forest video, and it should be out tomorrow, and then this video that I'm filming now will be out after. Alright, so I'm not get no sleep, guys, because I get up this morning and you know we have to head back down here, you see it. You see me on a streak, you know, when you watch a video, it's straight, you know, bro. You know.